Debate. Team no sleep.
Team slide sleep.
Slight sleep. Team full sleep.
Full sleep. Slide sleep din sabi niya.
Yeah.
Today's result is fine all prosecution. Smoking, including vaping and the use of electronic cigarettes.
What's
Ayun.
up?
Start. Amen.
We are here
Thanks.
at Singapore. At hindi na ako marunong mag-vlog. But, yeah, hindi ako nag-vlog simula nung umalis kami. Because wala akong tulog. Chinismis lang ako ng chinismis ni Eka nung dumating siya sa bahay. So,
Slice siya.
Si Ate May. Si Ate May na tiga.
yeah. Pero ayun. So, tawag dito. Now we're here sa...
roaming ba ng phone na to?
Ayan. Ayan. Pinapalo na yun.
Lumalaman na naman.
Wow!
Because our
So
first line is
now
I'm
we're
hungry.
here at Four Fingers sa Terminal. And
at-
guess who's with me? Walang excitement.
Ako bakit lang?
Okay. Woo! The energy. Kambal, guys! You survived the immigration.
Siya lang naman eh.
Sino ang hindi nag-travel? Ay, pasaway ah. We are done eating. What can you say about the Four Fingers chocolate?
You're welcome.
Ano nga?
Sarap. Sarap yung
Masarap,
pagka-spicy.
no? Parang iba yung lasa niya.
Mas ang dami ng serving.
Tumigili na sila ng napkin. And me, I'm gonna buy, I don't know, should I buy juice or no na muna? No na, yung tamad. Ang dami kong dala. Later na.
After the week, sa hotel ko.
Yeah. Nagbabayad na
May
sila.
hiring ng kaibigan ko
And
din.
we're here. They're about to go out.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Mag-elevator na tayo, tas dun na yung link bridge. Medyo mahaba-habang lakaran na. Not medyo, mahaba talaga. So, yung pag-edit ko, gusto ko yung parang... Oo. Si Carl.
Para ma-achieve mo yun, ipa-edit mo kay Chelsea.
Tianggo, tingnan mo naman ako paano mag-vlog. Masama ka sa akin. Support my vlog. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yay. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Let's go.
Are you excited? What can you say about the airport of Singapore? Chocolate. Nice, right? Ang aliwalas niya. I think, yeah, Carl, sumabay ka sa amin. Feel ko malaking factor yung puro windows, kaya parang ang aliwalas niya. Right? Is it? Am I correct, architect? Ang hirap nila kasama mag-vlog. Hindi sila nagsasalita. So, annoying. Actually, nasa Pokemon sila. Pokemon store. Tumitingin sila ng plushies. Oh, I think nakakuha si Ate May. Piggy! Amin na yung maleta mo. Yung maleta mo. Kami ang tagabantay ng maleta. And yun. So, wala naman akong gustong Pokemon character or something. So, I'm okay. We can just stay here and bantay the bags. Okay, now we're left. We're left. Out?
Left.
behind. Whatever. Pero naiwan
Bye.
kami because
Bye.
si Kuya Grab, ayaw niya. Ayaw niya kami tanggapin. Pero kasya kami actually.
May nalang diskarte ni Kuya.
Yeah.
Mag-tetris ng maleta.
So, now, dalawa kami mag-grab. Kailangan muna natin kasi nasa niya yung booking. Housemates, umupo na sa bahay ni Kuya. So, pumiilig. Masag kayo, Ford? Ang baho niya po. 2 points. 10 points. Isa pong puntos para kay Carl. Hindi po siya nag-toothbrush buong araw. Ano?
Siya lang naman lagi nagtutbrush niya.
Cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom sila. Providing siya masyado po siyang mataba.
Ay, naman.
Times ko po kay Carl kasi mas mataba.
Mas mataba si Jigs, mas mabigat siya sa akin.
Hindi.
Times 4 na lang po kay
Totoo.
Jixie. Para fair.
Pero sa totoo
So,
lang.
we're waiting our
Sabi nga
grab.
ni ano eh.
This is our pasalubong.
Sunday ko ba?
And red velvet yung sikat nila. Pero, Ate Camille, ako talaga may gusto mag-try nito. Kaya sana buksan nyo sa night safari. Bago tayo maghiwalayan.
Hindi nila binuksan.
Kasi Oreo milkshake wrinkles. It says limited edition. We're here! We're seated inside our Grab. Yes.
Just the 4 of us.
Yes. Kami lang guys. Kami lang. Sino ba wala dito?
Ate May. That's it.
We're here.
To the world's first night safari. It is our pleasure to welcome you aboard this very special journey. A journey into the wilderness at night. Before we begin our mysterious journey into the night, here are
attendance sa
4
Singapore.
reminders for us to take note. Firstly, please do not extend any parts of your body beyond the tram. And
Ikaw, what's
seated
that?
at all times for the safety of children.
Ganun lang kain nila. Tubig lang. At saka maliliit na ano.
Baho.
Take a deep breath, everyone. Got a whiff of that. Tapirs love water. Oh my God, Carl! Submerged using their long nose as a
Ha?
snorkel. Brilliant tapirs are
Tapirs.
we are
ganito
proud
yun.
to have successfully
Pig snout
this
animal to eh.
charismatic species to help preserve its
Galing, ang cute oh.
population.
Ang cute.
Might be able to spot the king of night safari. Chawang.
Oh my God!
Chawang was rescued as an orphan near the Chawang River, which inspired his name.
Laki, grabe. Ang cute ng ears niya. Bakit ang cute lang? So talaga pala sila may
Moving through the clearing ahead, we have
We're done with the trap. We're gonna walk sa mga trail. So, nasa, ano tayo? Wildcat.
Well,
Anong trail tayo?
sa Wildcat.
Fishcat.
High School
Fishcat, I
Musical,
think.
Wildcats. Spectacle daw naman ng mga nila.
Huh? May show. Anong bulletproof? Yung ano daw na, yung shell niya. Tinatalabas ng bullets. Ay, well!
Dito yun, ayun, nasa taas.
At least nagpakita. Ulit na tayo na. Ate, sa taas.
Oo
Ito,
nga.
sa bubong mismo.
Ang galing mo, Camille. Kasi takot ako nga.
We're here at Marina Bay.
Where's the son?
Because we're gonna eat Haidalao. It's,
Because we're gonna play Genda Casino.
what time is it?
11:45.
It's 11:45. And yung kakainan namin, 6 a.m. pa magsasara. So, hungry. You hungry?
Yeah.
Can't even talk.
Yes, because I'm really hungry. I'll eat a ton.
What?
I'll eat a lot.
But it's not only though.
Wait?
Yeah.
Ako ano ba?
Marami lang free. But it's not only.
Okay.
It's 3:27 and we're about to end our first day in Singapore. So tiring. At sobrang puyat. And ayan ang mga na-shopping ni Eka. But yeah, this will be my good night ending, man. Piggy, where are you? Yan, pagod ang lahat. Sleepy eyes ang lahat. Hindi na ako nag-type bukas na. Bahala na. Good night to people. Adios. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Oh my God. Wala na.
See you later.
I'm hilo na. See you tomorrow. See you later. Alligators.
Virgin, if you see this, hit me up.